To be completely honest, first love ko talaga ang parang film in its essence kasi nung lumalaki ako, nung bata ako, I think it's every child's dream na makita yung sarili nila sa TV. I mean ako personally. And bilang isang anak ng OFW na lumaki sa Qatar, ang nagiging escape ko lang during those times na nag-a-adjust kami is yung nanonood ako ng TV. So, meron akong meron akong parang pangarap noon na makasali sa Going Pulilit, mga ganyan. So even before I discovered na gusto ko rin maging performer, gusto ko muna maging artista. So ayun, it's definitely one of my plans entering the industry na, but then I guess it feels like the perfect timing na since I believe we've achieved great lengths na in terms of music. And I want to expand my artistry by entering film din. Ngayon, marami pa kaming inline na ginagawa sa Cabo Joe for this year. We're on tour. And baka may mangyari at the end of the year. Malay natin. Pero ayun, feel ko isa rin talaga sa advantage na under one company yung sa music and sa film ko is merong full transparency ng schedule ko, so I don't think it's gonna be a conflict.